Want to learn how to change language on WhatsApp? WhatsApp is designed to function in English by default, which might be problematic if you are not a native English speaker. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on WhatsApp. So watch this video till the end. First, open your WhatsApp. Then tap on three vertical dots that is on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings. On Settings page, scroll a bit downwards until you find App Language and tap on it. Choose the language of your preference. In this video, I'm using Afrikaans. So that is how you change language on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.